know what? Sabi nga natin, it's a grand entrance. So, ibigay natin lahat ng energy natin on this segment. Kaya may I request you, family and friends, to grab your table napkins with you. Come on, come on. If you have your table napkins on your tables, atin yung kunin as we are about to wave it on the air. Sample muna tayo. Ano ho? Sample muna. Okay, sample. Huwag iway sa ere. Huwag iway. Habang winawag iway, lagyan natin ng malakas na hiyawan. Perfect indeed. Well, hindi ko na po kayo papagurin. For the meantime, let's put it down. Sige po. So everyone, tingin po tayo doon sa likuran. Pero tanungin ko muna kayo. Everyone, for the grand entrance ng ating bagong kasal, are you ready? Naku, parang di ko marinig. Are you ready? Kaya naman, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, it is indeed an honor to present to you and to be the host of this big event in their lives. Live here at Adriana's Events Place, Tagaytay City, we are about to welcome our newlyweds. Atin silang salubungin ng may pinakamalakas na hiyawan. Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Narito na ang ating bagong kasal. Let us all welcome Christian and Kate, Mr. and Mrs. Garcia! Mas malakas na hiyawan! Here at Albert Hall, Christian and Kate, and this time, malakas na hiyawan na may kasabang palakpakan! I love the vibes, I love the energy, I love you all guys. Anyway, manatiling na katayo mga kaibigan dahil may ilan akong katanungan sa ating bagong kasal. Uy, wala to sa meeting. Well, but kidding aside, Kate and Christian, actually, sabi ko nga sa kanila kanina, alam ko, very busy talaga lahat, lalo pa ngayon, it's weekends, malayo ang pinanggalingan, meron pang umuwi from other countries just to be with you. Pero, well, ganyan nila ipakita ang pagmamahal at suporta sa inyo. And you know what, dahil sa presence at pagmamahal nila, mas naging extra special ang araw na to. So, as of now, well, just give us a very short impression, how do you feel right now? Basta, wala mo nang iyakan. Ano nararamdaman niyo?
Sobrang happy po kami kasi actually, sobrang pili lang po na invited namin, those who are close to our hearts. So magtataka kayo bakit konti lang. And